Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are in place. Open Settings and go straight to Display or Customization. Color OS menus vary slightly. Once there, enable a lock screen or always-on display because edge lighting ties to notifications and screen state. Make sure battery saver is off and the phone has at least 20% battery so effects aren't restricted. Now, find edge lighting or notification light in the menu and tap to enter. You next choose the visual style and why. Pick pulse for subtle alerts, gradient for smooth color flow, or ring for bold emphasis. Once chosen, customize color palette, strip width, duration, and animation speed so alerts match your attention needs. Then assign which apps can trigger edge lighting. This saves battery and reduces noise. Make sure to preview each change. The in-app preview shows how notifications will behave. If you like, save a preset for quick switching later. You finish by enabling Show on lock screen and confirming vibration or sound preferences so the lighting is visible when locked. Then test with a real notification from a messaging app and tweak brightness and speed until it feels right. If edge lighting doesn't appear, make sure the app has notification permissions, that Do Not Disturb isn't blocking alerts, and Color OS accessibility options aren't restricting effects. If problems persist, reboot the phone and recheck settings. That often clears conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.